Figma Mobile App Design. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in figma.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Get Started for free. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, and after completing that, click the Continue with Email button to proceed. After signing in, you'll land on the Figma dashboard. On the left side of the screen, click the Templates and Tools button. Then, move to the top right of your screen and click the search icon to look for templates. For example, you can type in Finance Mobile App Design to find ready-made layouts. Browse through the options and choose a template that best suits your design preferences. After selecting one, you'll be redirected to the workspace, where you can freely customize all the elements in the template. For instance, you might change the username on the app to Alexander Lawrence and modify the color palette to black for a sleeker appearance. Once you're done customizing the template, go to the top right of the screen and click the play button to preview your final design.